Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a tempered glass screen protector on your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Sergio, and in this channel I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. I'm also gonna have a bunch of cool links in the description down below. So let's get right on with the video. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to install my favorite type of screen protector, which is a tempered glass screen protector. And the reason I say this is my favorite screen protector is because this screen protector, like 95% of the time, will protect your phone screen from cracking when it's on there and it drops. It will take the impact and the tempered glass will crack first before your screen actually cracking. So these screen protectors have saved my personal phone hundreds of times. And you know, I also like the way it feels on the phone. It feels very natural. You can hardly tell there's a screen protector on there. And also the price. So I actually ordered this on Amazon. It's a pack. So it comes with a pack of 4 different screen protectors and also 3 camera lens protectors for your rear cameras. And all of that only costs $6.99 on Amazon. It also comes with these dust absorber stickers. Okay, and like I said, the link will be down below. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to install it on your phone correctly. All right, so first thing you're gonna wanna do is open up the little package here with the cloths. So we're gonna have a wet cloth, which is this alcohol prep pad. We're gonna use this one first because since this is a wet cloth, it will remove any sticky dirt on the screen. Okay, so you may want to turn your screen off so that it's black. That way you can see the dust much better. And then we're going to go around the entire screen here, around all the edges, and swipe up and down through the entire phone. Okay, once you see everything that's sticky on the screen has been removed, we can go ahead and now use the dry cloth to dry it up. Okay, and if there is any leftover dust particles on the screen, you can gently blow it and they should come right off. If not, the cleaning pack also comes with this dust absorber sticker. So you just peel it off and then you stick it on the screen wherever you see there may be dust particles. And since it's sticky, the dust particles will stick to it and will remove from the screen. Okay, so my screen looks clean now and ready to install the tempered glass. All right, so here we have the tempered glass. You want to make sure that when you peel this plastic, you peel it downwards so that the sticky part of the screen protector will be facing downwards. So what you want to do is you want to just peel it off like this right over the phone and then directly place it on the phone so you don't give it any time for any dust to get on the screen protector. So position it carefully on the top of the screen here of the phone. Position the top first. Okay, as you can see, the camera is right there in the middle, and then once you have the lower side positioned, then you can go ahead and drop it. Okay, and then give it some pressure with your finger on one of the sides and start pushing it towards the other side to remove all of the air bubbles. There we go. So as you can see, actually there's one up there. All right, there we go. So if you see any air bubbles, you could just slide your finger across the screen and push them out. But as you can see, the screen protector was successfully installed and it looks pretty clean. You can barely tell there's a screen protector on there. No air bubbles at all. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to install the glass protector for the rear cameras. Okay, so it's gonna come in a little bag like this. You just pull it out. And here we have the rear camera lens protectors. Okay, so it's super simple. We're just gonna peel this off and hold onto the cameras, like this. And then we're gonna position it on the camera display here. There you go. And then once it's on there, just push it down. Give it some pressure on all sides. It does have a little bit of adhesive, so it will stick onto the back of your phone. And since it is glass-like, it gives it a very natural, nice look and feel to it as well. All right, everyone, so yeah, that is how you install a tempered glass screen protector and rear camera glass screen protector and rear camera glass protector on your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. So go ahead and give the video a like if it helped you out. Comment down below, let me know if it did. And that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.